Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you the ordinary haul that I got for myself. My brother presented me from the United States. So I've got 4 products from it. I earlier used an ascorbyl glucoside vitamin C form which I reviewed. All these I have right now are mostly vitamin C only. So yeah, let's get started. I'll tell you my opinions. I have used them almost from 1 month. I've written the dates, if you can see, 10/8. The other ones say 11/8, just for the reference. The first one is their classic vitamin C suspension, 23% along with hyaluronic acid. uh, this is like a little gritty thing, once you apply it feels like you're applying some paste on it. That is the first application part. Now, one thing that I little do not like about this is it has got like too many ingredients. Ascorbic acid, squalene, hyaluronic acid, glucagon, that this बहुत चीज़ें है. Um and it's very moisturizing. You don't need a moisturizer after this. Now, for a beginner, I do not suggest this. Why? I'll tell you. Because this is directly a 23% L-ascorbic acid. This is around $5, maybe $5 or $6 one. It's a 30 ml product. Why I preferred buying this one, for the same price you also get some products in India, but I am not sure if they're like properly put in or stabilized. It's not like you put ingredients and you put all these preservatives or emulsifiers etc and then you pack it. You need to check the stability of it. So that is why somehow I got my ordinary haul, and maybe I might continue it also in future. uh, this is a good one, but for beginners, no. If you have sensitive skin, no. This will literally, it didn't burn me as such, but it will definitely burn you. Mine is not that sensitive skin. One or two breakouts you might have if in the initial stages when you're introducing this, so be a little careful. Okay, that's the first product. The second product I have here is ascorbic acid, 8% plus alpha arbutin. This is their new launch, kind of like last year maybe. The reason I got this is only one reason, because it has got only 3 ingredients: propandiol, ascorbic acid, and alpha arbutin. Only 3 ingredients. Now, what happened is, while travel itself, this got leaked in this box, and see the leaked product, how it got oxidized. This is how vitamin C oxidizes. That is why it is important that you use something which is not in like yellow color or something. Okay, this particular one is also like white in color, you can see in other reviews, whereas this is a little rare one. So I'll just show you the texture and this thing. This is clear liquid, but maybe 3-4 days ago, one drop of it I left it here. See how it got oxidized. So that sensitive it is. And let me tell you why I told you not to use this 23% one, because this is just 8% ascorbic acid. And the moment I apply it on my face initially, even for this my skin reacted. There was a slight burning sensation the moment I applied this. So these products are so strong, but still, if you want to use an ascorbic acid product and if you have some hyperpigmentation, go for this. It's excellent. And it is, I wouldn't say greasy at all, but a little bit. It's like, little, very little, that emulsifying feeling you have on the skin, and afterwards it subsides. It's a water-free solution. Only 3 ingredients. I love this. So maybe the propandiol itself is like a penetration enhancer as well as a preservative. The third product I have from the vitamin C, and of course the most favorite product, is the tetrahexadicyl ascorbate. I've spoken about this in the different forms of vitamin C serum in my like maybe last year video, and this is proven to be the most effective form of vitamin C. If you're looking for an anti-aging thing, this is the form of vitamin C that you're supposed to use. All these, the other things, they are of course anti-aging, but for sensitive skin people, no. But this is like beautiful oil, and this also has got very few ingredients compared to that: coconut alkanes, tetrahexadicyl ascorbate, some emulsifiers, jojoba oil, and tomato fruit extract, and squalene. Because it has got squalene, when I apply this, I don't even use a moisturizer, because this is enough. It's enough hydrating, and it just sinks into the skin like within 10 seconds of application. This is quite watery, if you can see, quite watery, and it's a very clear liquid. And I have not seen this one oxidizing quickly as the other ascorbic acid thing. So this is unarguably my favorite. awesome, and this one bottle will last you for like ages, maybe 3-4 months if you use it on daily basis. I prefer using vitamin C in the morning skincare routine. So yeah, this is my favorite. Anybody who wants to buy a vitamin C, and if you have a sensitive skin, go for this. If you're looking for anti-aging, go for this. I'm not saying that this will give a big, like quite a dramatic result, but it'll definitely show a good result in thickening of the dermis in, say, maybe like 3 to 4 months later. So this one. Okay, the other one I've got is Buffet. This is like all peptides in it, and a lot of amino acids in it. The ingredient list, probably Buffet and the copper peptides have the lengthiest ingredient list. So many ingredients into this. Now, why I got this one is because it has got lactobacillus ferment as well as little peptides. Lactobacillus ferment is something that will help you calm down with the red blood spots that you have. So that's the second ingredient, and I got it because it is one of the very beautiful products. I never tried peptides in my skincare. Somebody asked me to do a video on peptides. Well, not all peptides are proven to be excellent. There are here also, there are so many peptides which says tetrapeptide 7, heptapeptide, all those things. Those many big peptides are not proven to go into the skin, but tripeptide, these things, 3 combination of amino acids, peptides and all, they usually are effective. Now this is also a very good formulation. It's very hydrating. You will have like a very bright skin the moment you wake up. This is a bit thick liquid when compared to the other ones I've shown you, but if you're looking for some serious anti-aging, this is for younger people, like 35. Until then you can use it, but if you want some anti-aging effects with the peptides, what I suggest you is go for this one plus copper peptides, Buffet plus 1% copper peptides. So this is my ordinary haul. Now all these costed me say around 3,500. This is like for my 1 year of morning skincare routine, say suppose, because vitamin C is something that you can use in the morning. Why I'm telling you this is, చాలా మందికి యూఎస్లో వాళ్ళు వీళ్ళు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు వీళ్ళు ఉంటారు. ఏవేవేవో తెప్పించుకునే బదులు గెట్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ సమ్మన్ ఇన్ ద యూఎస్, ఇన్స్టెడ్ యూ get some shit, get something that works for you. These are the things that really work. And actually, even somebody messaged me saying that they have someone in the US and they want me to tell the products and they will get. So get the ordinary products. They're cheap. The other person who's buying things for you also will not be chidki, why are you telling so many expensive things? Okay, this is what I have, and of course all of them I like, but the ascorbic acid plus that arbutin is a little bit harsh on the skin. This one is quite hydrating. I recommend this once you're used to. I'm used to vitamin C for almost 3-4 years now, so this is okay to me. But if you're looking for anti-aging, my all-time favorite, next time when I buy an ordinary thing, definitely my favorite would be the tetrahexylical ascorbate. I've just written down the dates to have some clarity. Okay, thank you so much for watching.